Hey guys, I am finally back to the Traxxas Bandit mid-motor conversion, and I got to button the wiring up and stuff a little bit here yet, but something really cool happened today. She has power. Oops. Yeah, baby. Mid-motor conversion, ready to rock and roll. So now I just got, like I said, button the wiring up, mount the receiver up where I'm putting it, and attach the cage, and we're ready to rock and roll. So it's going to be awesome. Been really getting eager to get this one on the track whenever Lake Defiance decides it wants to dry up. So sick of all this rain. But yeah, just mid-motor conversion. Took some little bit of engineering and figuring out, but then cut the side of the frames down a little bit so that the body will look right on it without having that tub thing out of it. But there we go. So she is almost race ready. Yeehaw! But yeah, like I said, I've just really glad this one turned out. Can't wait to get it on the track. Like I said, we're just looking for water to dry up. I mean, both racetracks here, Jamie's track and my track out at the club, they're both completely underwater as far as I know. So it's more like a lake than a racetrack out at the club. So yeah, we're there. So all right, guys. Well, hey, I just wanted to give you an update on it. So this will be the third video on the conversion setup, and it'll just be a deal now of getting the thing on the track and filming its first runs and things like that. So, but yeah, like I said, just Traxxas mid-motor conversion. So yeah, baby, fun deal. So all right, guys. Hey, take care. Thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Glad you found it. And you guys stay tuned for more cool stuff coming. Take care. Thanks, guys.